Road 12, east of York, about 3 miles. The flames were visible in the roof area. They quickly extinguished it. Daryl Rasmussen, one of the firefighters from York, said that the fire was contained to the rafter area. There were some concerns about materials inside that could have been explosive. However, the fire departments were able to quickly extinguish it and keep it contained to the roof. As of right now, there's no word as to how much damage was done, and Rasmussen said that there's no indication of what started the fire. Again, there was a fire on Road 12, 3 miles east of York. The fire was quickly extinguished and no one was injured. Again, this is Melanie Wilkinson with YorkNewsTimes.com.